Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video I will show you how to change the date and time settings on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! First you want to expand your control center just like that. Then head into preferences. Now you want to click general. You can scroll down, you want to scroll down a little, and at the bottom we have time, date and date format. In order to change time, you simply hit time, and I don't know why it scrolled all the way to the up. You want to click time, and here you can change the time itself, so you can go from PM, AM to even 24 hours. You can choose whatever you want and hit done. The same thing applies to date. You can choose the date entirely. Just note that on the left we have the current month, unfortunately, because the format is first month, then days, then years, but of course you can always change it to more better formats, for example like year, month, days, or day, month, years. So you can click that, and now we can also switch it to more different mode. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.